Hello everyone, this will be the last video of the month for the Patreon for January of 2024. This is part 9. We're looking at D&D, Warhammer, and figure prints. And if you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. And check out our Patreon Discord down bottom. There's our Patreon that we haven't taken a look at. Please leave down in the comments and we'll take a look at it and hopefully be in the video for next month. Anyhow, we'll be starting with Great Grimoire, another D&D. They're doing angels. Looking at it as it is, we have cupids. This is an angel from the Old Testament, and we have two other angels. An angel that's in a cage and a bust for it. So yeah, that's Great Grimoire, Part 1, the Celestial Gambith. Dragon Rest, another good terrain. So you have the that's from last month. Are you doing anything for this month? I don't think they are. I don't know what their thing is for this month is. Maybe they're taking a break. I do not know. Hopefully they'll have some terrain pieces. Go check them out. And all the links will be down the bottom for you guys to take a look. Glad Miniatures, another D&D miniatures as well. This is going to be this is spoiler. So we have nuns. These you can actually use for Age of Sigmar or the old ones, the old fantasy Warhammer ones, if as well. If you want to use some of these pieces, so we have priesthoods. Looks like it for next month, for this month. Neko figures for figures. Announcement for 2024. Hey friend, just slipped one post here. I'll be paused. Okay, so it'll be a pause for this year. But I'll put the link down below if you want to go check them out. SwanNet 3D, that are terrain miniatures as well. Let's see what they have for January. October, December. I don't think they have anything else for January. December 1. So hopefully they have something for January. Uh, Digital dark pinups for figures. Let's see here. We're doing Harley Quinn, Sorcerer. This is Jesse and the barmaid. New Year's model, happy year. So we have this is basically what's gonna happen. So you have those two and these. So you have 4 figures for January coming up. Also Thick and Lulu test pedal, test printed. But yeah, I haven't printed them out. I will one day if I have a bigger printer and a lot better one than I have right now. Don't have $1,500 to spend right now. So Ruben, other figures as well. Uh, December. Is there anything for February character? Lou, November. So I think they're taking January a break on this. I don't see anything for January to see. So content, co-leaders. That was December. Huh. That is interesting. I think people are taking January a break for beginning of the year. Village of Hope. They have complications and stuff, but they do have stuff for January. We don't know if they're going to be releasing it until later on, but we'll put a link down for them for you to check out. Print Your Monster. Probably haven't released anything for this month as well until the end of the month. They usually print out like really late in the month. I think because of the holidays and a lot of the stuff that's going on right now, people want to take a break and stuff. I think that's one of the main reasons. This is my 3D Print Forge. They do WoW figures. This is I think Black Rock, I believe. This is in. It was I don't know. That's not Black Rock Mountain. Which one is this from? Alexian Lair. Yeah. So we have that. So if you want to do WoW for your thing or have a little thing for your characters, This might be good for you to have for World of Warcraft type. Spellcasters, Tillions. Man, I really wish I had the mentality to go back and WoW. It's just that I just can't sit still and play WoW for a long period of time anymore. I don't know why. You see whelps, dragon eggs, raptor. But yeah. On Issue Minis, they do obscure version of Tyranid prints for this one, but you also use it for D&D. This is gonna be January release. So we have, looks like the Militarin, or the Necrons, or the Undead Necrons. It could be a proxy of that. And we have this big thing back there that's supposed to be a Tyranid looking thing. It's freaking gnarly. Yeah, it's like a big freaking plant with spores coming out of it. Oh yeah, that'll be freaking awesome to have in the game. As a terrain, I'll use it as a terrain piece, and I'll be the GM will be the one like have them come out and start doing damages and stuff. Inkman minis. These are minis from different various of video games and animes you can use for your D&D, or you can print up for your pinup as well. So we have Obelisk and I think the Red Eyes Black Dragon for your goals, Patreon goals if you get that. And this is the 800 one from the. I think this is the forgot Koopa Troopers. So that's February, January. These are your bonus for January from King of Fighters. And I believe he's also from King of Fighters. He's also a samurai fighting game too. Let's see here for January what we have. Come on, January full preview. So you have some Pokemon, some Digimon. Some of these games I might played and I forgot. There's One Piece. This is a Digimon. This is from the Fairy, Great Fairy from Legend of Zelda. This one's from Fire Emblem. Don't know what the hell these three are from. Pokemon. If you're interested, go for it. And I believe that's December one. So yeah, that's gonna be January one. Next is Buck Makington, another figure. We'll have a chapel for this month. A nice chapel, I would say. You could take it apart, everything else for that. I will love to get an FML printer to print this because it'll be a lot cheaper to get this printed from FML than anything else right now. Just finding a place to get it, putting it into. I'm going to be a little bit fast because we have a couple more to go through. I'm going to go through it all in this video. I'm just letting you know. Cyberforge miniatures. We got Torment for it. They do have proxies for Warhammer, but not really like only the one that you really want. So we have demons, guns, cyber demons, and we have our Warhammer proxy right there in your ships. You got that. We're more worried about this. I think these will be more towards the Dark Angel territory, in my opinion, especially this guy right here. But let me know if you're gonna have this and you want what kind of army you want to put them in as. This looks more like 30K, to tell you the truth. Next is Anime Girl SST figure. I don't know what this month's figure is going to be. That's for the year. So we have another girl from Obsico from what you call it? From High School of the Dead. Dork Factory Miniatures. I probably won't get them anymore because I haven't not got their files for it. I am probably gonna message them once I have a chance. Gamescape. Another terrain piece. I think this one is going to be, that's February. We have cities. You convert them to taverns as well. Row house and exterior variants. And your walls, floorings, and your house builds. So yeah, for your game. Next one is E Savage Post. Anime video game variant miniatures you can use on your game as well. For January, we got Vincent. Just came out from the anime of G.I. Joe. I think that's JoJo, Werewolf, and some of these. And you have bonus as a, I think it's a white mage. Next one, a few more on that. Beast Mode miniatures. What are you having for this month? Nothing. I'll put their link down. I got these big booty ghosts and stuff, so for my D&D game for next time. Miniature blueprint, another what you call it, D&D minis as well. From Arcane Workshop. So that ain't where you check them out, but this is their actual ones. So you have Minotaurs. Looks like a battle maid and priest. It looks like Sisters of Battles right here. We have a person fighter with a wheelchair. Can't discriminate, but you know, Knight Army. So if you're interested, let me know. Arrow Wife. These are new ones that just came out that I just saw. We are getting Cole Benny from Chainsaw Man. If you're interested in her figure. And last one and not least, Pixel Land 3D. We are having Jinx. That's a pretty good looking Jinx. And in Glenpool 360 as well. Anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page or Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.